Alright everybody, I'm going to show you how to do a really cool strum on guitar. If you've never read music for guitar, that's okay. You don't have to for this video. I'm going to show you a neat way to learn this, and I'm going to go through it very slowly. I'm going to explain it in a way that you're going to get it, and you're going to get it, and you're going to have a cool strum that you can use for thousands and thousands of songs. So here we go. Okay everybody, let's count out loud. We're going to strum air guitar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we're going down on the numbers and up when we say and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Great. Now we're going to strum down on beat 1. We're going to use a common G chord here. 1. We're going to strum down on 1 and keep the hand moving while we count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Next we're going to put this sound on beat 2. Let me show you how to do that. Your palm is on the strings when your pick strikes the strings. Now you might want to practice that for a little bit. So lay your palm on the strings and move your pick down. If you make that just a little bit bigger, it's like a strum. Palm and pick on the strings at the same time on beat 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Keep counting. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Next we're going to strum up on the and after 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Next we're going to strum up on the and after 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Next we're going to put another muted string sound on beat 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to strum up on the and, the last and after 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I hope that helps you with a really cool strum. Be sure and like and share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.